Hey fam, today I'm making a flavorful red bean soup. I have here 1 pound of organic beans. The first step is to go through them little by little. Sometimes you can find debris in them like a tiny rock, so that's why it's important to check them. Next, you need to give them a good rinse. Now for the spices we'll be using. 1 teaspoon of chipotle. This isn't spicy, it'll just give it a rich flavor. 1.5 teaspoons of cumin. Half a teaspoon of oregano. 1 bay leaf. And 4.5 teaspoons of diamond crystal kosher salt. This salt isn't as salty as regular salt, so if you're using a different kind, maybe use less. For dicing, just 1/4 of a green pepper, depends on the size. A similar amount for the onion, in this case 1/3 finely chopped. Now some garlic. I like putting 3 cloves that are regular size, dice it nice and small. Let's put it all into the Instant Pot. First the beans. Then the onions and green pepper. Now the spices. Lastly, the minced garlic. For water, I'll be putting 6.5 cups or around 1.54 liters. I like to have a bit of soup and not just cooked beans. Usually I soak the beans, but this time I didn't. Set the Instant Pot to high pressure for 30 minutes. Once it's done, wait 10 minutes before opening it. This way the pressure comes down naturally, just a tiny bit. If you do soak your beans, starting from the previous day, then you can set your pressure time to 9 minutes instead. Alright, they're done. Let's have a look. They look good. These aren't just plain beans, they have a lot of flavor in them. I like having them with some avocado, sour cream, and even cheese. Mix in some rice, and grab a tortilla, and you have a hearty meal. I think it's good to have some beans on the side to accompany your main meal also. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. I'm curious on how you prepare your beans. Do you add any other spices? Let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you would like to support the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Cheers!